Good morning, everybody. I am going to do my makeup really quick on stories. I have an appointment that I need to leave for in about 20 minutes. Both the kids are home on quarantine, so I don't know if they're going to run in here, so that's why I'm not on live. I'm on stories. But let's start off with the Touch Glorious Face Primer. Okay, guys, I think I just called it the Glorious Face Primer. This is the Touch Glorious Mattifying Primer. You guys know I need it because I have that combination skin. I pinned my hair back, but I am using Velvet, which I know is a darker color. So I have the others here that I have. So let's see how it lays on my skin. So I just spray it a couple times and I kind of just dot my face. Actually, it's not bad, not bad. And I like to just stipple it and then buff it on my skin. It's super easy to apply, especially with this kabuki brush. Whew. Okay, you guys, this is our new skin concealer solution. This launched this month. This is absolutely incredible. If you need a full coverage concealer, this is awesome. The applicator is a doe foot applicator, and it actually has a little reservoir on the applicator. I don't even know what I'm talking about. So it has a little like reservoir on there on the tip. I usually tell people to work in sections because this dries really quickly, but I'm in a hurry. So I'm just using my brush, the same brush that I use for the foundation. And I'm using the color Khaki, which is really close to my perfect color. So I am not using the concealer to necessarily brighten my under eye. If I wanted, the kids are fighting, so typical. So I'm gonna set my under eyes with this Behold setting powder. I kind of just flip it and then kind of tap it so it goes inside the cap. And then you guys, I lost my powder concealer brush. So I'm just using this small beachfront brush and I'm just gonna go underneath the eyes to set that concealer. I cannot miss this step. If I do, anything that I put in this area will crease just because I have like this under eye lid. I don't even know what to call it, but things get not cakey, but they pool in that crease under my eye. So I cannot skip setting my under eye. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. It's almost the end of the month and next month is November, which is crazy. This year has been crazy, but I can't wait because that means Black Friday is coming and we get new products. And I hope that we're getting new bronzing products because this is our old beachfront bronzer. It is on its last leg. And once our CEO told us this was going away, like people bought it. Whoa, what is the deal with that? That was so weird. That was so weird, you guys. Sorry about that. So, I love this bronzer. It sold out so fast. I do have one extra for myself, but I hope we're getting bronzing products with this Black Friday deal. I'm like taking my brush and I'm doing that so I get like a little finer target area, and then I just do that with the bronzer, and then let's go on to brows. Okay guys, I have to be really quick, but my favorite way to do my brows is with our brow pencil. We also have the Obsession Brow Palette, which has 2 brow colors, 2 highlight colors, and then the brow wax. But if I just want a more natural look, please tell me I have some in here. There it is. It has a really fine, what is going on with this thing? This is being so weird. It tracks and sometimes it moves on me without me knowing it. But anyway, it has a really fine tip so you can get that really natural look if you want that, and you can just keep building it. But I like to just line my under brow area and then extend the tail and then draw on the top and then meet that and then fill it in from there. Super easy. And then it has a spoolie on the... Okay, so for eyeshadow, when I am in a very big hurry like I am now because I have like 3 minutes to do this, I just use the same bronzer and then I just take it on a fluffy brush and I just put it all over my lid just to give it some color and dimension so my eyes aren't looking so flat. But this is a great like on the go, I want to say mom trick, but just like for anybody really, if you want a minimal makeup look with minimal products. Bronzer on the eyelids. All right, so I am going to use our new Epic Twisted Mascara. This one has the 2 brushes, the small one and then the bigger one. So I'm gonna do this and be right back. Actually, what am I thinking? I should totally do this with you. So I like to use the small brush first to get those baby lashes that are hiding. I have a lot of new growth with my lashes because I use our amazing lash serum. So there's a lot of baby lashes that I can't get otherwise with a normal sized brush. So this micro wand is perfect. And it's great for getting the corners too, and amazing for lower lashes. And then I'm gonna go in with the bigger molded silicone wand and then fill the rest in. Almost poked myself in the eye. I always do that when I do my lashes on camera. It never fails. So that is with and without, like pretty quick and easy. And then let me do my other eye, and then I'll hit up my cheeks up with some blush, and then I gotta go, you guys. Like, this doctor's appointment I've been waiting for a while, so I can't be late. You guys, I love this micro wand. All right, let's go in with the other brush. Ooh. And normally I would give it a little more time to dry in between coats. I just do not have the time right now. Can you hear my hands? They're like chasing each other upstairs. Okay. You guys. I only make the mascara face my lower lashes when I do my lower lashes. This wand is amazing because I never get anything on my lower lids. But anyway, blush. I picked up Sweets, which is a really pretty everyday like pinky color. Not really gonna do a lip because I'm gonna be wearing a mask. So I probably I'm gonna put like a lip gloss on or a lip balm, like with really no color, but shouldn't be any more color than this. I really prefer a nude lip anyway. But anyway, that is it. Do I have setting spray? Guys, this is a Black Friday special from last year, and I bought like a couple, and this is my last bottle. I love this stuff. This is why I love Black Friday so much. But anyway, this is our luminizing setting spray. I love the smell. And I like using a lot of setting spray because I really like to melt my makeup together, and setting spray really helps me keep my makeup on my face, especially from wearing a mask. I noticed that my makeup doesn't come off my mask as much when I use a crap ton. So yeah, especially on right here on the lower part. But anyway, that's it. You guys, I will load this look in my looks on my webpage. Let me know if you need a color match or if you have any questions on any of the products that I use. And then I will also do a swipe up for a cart in a few minutes. All right, thanks.